I'm Dr. Chris Rogers, founder of San Diego Orthobiologics Medical Group and have specialized in orthopedic medicine for more than 25 years. I'm also the medical director of Personalized Stem Cells, Inc., which is the sponsor of a new FDA-approved clinical trial that will study the safety and preliminary efficacy of an adipose-derived stem cell treatment for patients with painful knee osteoarthritis. This study is being conducted at 7 medical centers in the United States by myself and 9 other orthopedic physicians. Osteoarthritis is the most common joint disease affecting people worldwide. In the United States, more than 300 million Americans suffer with arthritis, with the knee being the most common joint affected. Arthritis has a profound personal, economic, and societal impact in the United States. In 2013, the national medical care costs and earning losses among adults with arthritis was more than $300 billion, which represents 1% of the US GDP. Current standard of care treatment options are simply palliative and need to be administered frequently, meaning that they only offer temporary relief managing the symptoms of arthritis. When conservative care fails to manage the symptoms of knee osteoarthritis, patients may choose to undergo a total joint replacement surgery, and about 600,000 Americans will do so every year. However, millions of Americans are too young or too medically fragile to undergo surgery, or they simply prefer to avoid knee replacement surgery altogether. Scientists and physicians are working diligently to develop safe and effective treatment options for patients that may alter the course of the disease or even prevent it from occurring in the first place. Treatments that employ stem cells are an attractive option because of their remarkable capacity to decrease inflammation, repair tissue, and promote healing. These cells are part of a natural regenerative system that consists of many cells and cellular molecules responsible for healing our damaged tissues every day. Stem cells reside on the smaller blood vessels throughout the body. Fat tissue, also known as adipose tissue, contains many blood vessels, and as a result, adipose tissue is the richest source of stem cells in the body. Adipose tissue is easy to obtain through a routine and simple lipoaspiration procedure. These cells, all taken together, are referred to as the stromal vascular fraction and can be released from the adipose tissue by specific processing methods in a lab. These cells can then be collected, characterized, and their numbers counted. In this manner, we produce a biologic drug using your own stem cells that can be measured and tested for safety in ways not previously available. By studying the types of cells and the number of cells required to achieve a specific clinical outcome, we will advance our understanding of how these cells function in the context of osteoarthritis, which may lead to safer and more effective therapies. Several clinical trials on adipose-derived stem cells have been published in the peer-reviewed scientific literature using related products in both animals and humans with the following potential benefits: reduction of pain, improved range of motion, improved activity level, decreased need for pain medication, and improved quality of life. Patients in this study will undergo a simple lipoaspirate procedure under local anesthesia. The harvested adipose tissue will be shipped to the Personalized Stem Cell FDA-inspected facility in San Diego, California. Millions of viable stem cells will be extracted from the tissue using a proprietary and patented tissue processing method. The cells will then be tested for quality, content, and sterility prior to releasing them for use in a patient. This technique has evolved from services provided to more than 17,000 animals spanning more than 16 years with the experience of our sister company, VetStem Biopharma. After testing for quality, content, and reassuring sterility, cells are shipped back to your doctor within 3 to 6 weeks and then are available for injection into the arthritic knee. In addition, extra stem cells obtained may be frozen and stored for future use. The FDA approved an investigational new drug application to initiate this clinical trial. We enrolled and treated our first patient in October and are continuing to recruit patients for this study. Patients who are 18 to 80 years of age with osteoarthritis in one knee and who are otherwise generally healthy will be considered for this clinical trial. This is a partially patient-funded study, so there will be a cost to the patient. If you are interested in learning more about this FDA-approved clinical trial, please contact us at personalizedStemcells.com.